Hi! Today's unboxing topic is Louis Vuitton watch packaging. Here is a whole set of packaging of its Temple Horizon monogram watch. Let's get started. Louis Vuitton has launched a new range of packaging called Imperial Saffron since 2016. Although its packaging photos can be found everywhere on the internet, nobody knows which factory produced this paper. In order to eliminate counterfeit products, this orange color paper is specially customized. The paper bag is made of 210 GSM paper. It feels very soft because the wood fiber is of very high density. Although you cannot find any FSC logo on the bag, I must tell you this paper is actually FSC certified. You can visit fsc.com for more information. The complementary cotton roll here is actually a great progress in Louis Vuitton's packaging, because cotton is considered to be more environmental friendly. The logo here is embossed and outstanding. In order to protect the paper box, a paper cover has been added. At the bottom of the paper cover is a sticker with retailer's information. The sticker is of very good quality. When we peel it off, it won't leave any glue on the paper. Now I open the box. Wow! It looks more like a dedicated jewelry case. There's a flapping design here enables me to take out the inside boxes easily. The case is divided into 3 sections. One is a card slot for instructions and accessories. Second is a vacant area for a letter box. Last is 2 paper drawers with charging accessories and watch strap. The space is well designed and neat. The watch box is covered with genuine leather with a snap button closure. Logo embossed in the center. Inside is wrapped with suede microfiber. Inside the 2 drawer boxes are 3 cotton drawstring pouches. True cotton fabric with a blue cotton string of a rainbow pattern, and with its logo silkscreen printed in navy color. The end of cotton string has been sealed to avoid cotton yarns spreading easily. Finally, let's explore the card slot. There are 2 items lying there. First is 3 booklet packed in a paper cover. 1 instruction, 1 introduction, and 1 safety and legal information, each one written in diversified languages. Second is an envelope containing a well-folded micro-cleaning cloth with embossed logo for cleaning usage. Now, you may want to adapt some ideas into your packaging. Our budget time may help you. First of all, let's talk about paper bag. Louis Vuitton's paper bag is using 210 GSM FSC paper with cotton tape. Like other paper items, MOQ starts from 500 pieces. You can find similar material in an approximate price range from 50 cents to $1. Secondly, its box case. I must state that not all the brands should have a necessary budget for such a packaging item. It relates to a lot of manual works in production, so price can be very high, especially when the quantity is small. But anyway, if you really want to know the cost behind the scene, our estimation is about $5 to $6 for 500 pieces. Now, let's talk about drawstring pouch. I have been persuading people to use fabric pouches in their packaging on many occasions because it is cost-friendly, environmental-friendly, and MOQ-friendly. Unlike some packaging items, take the Louis Vuitton box case for example. You can only admire in your heart but do nothing to your branding, because your budget does not allow. However, even beginners can make an order of 100 pieces cotton pouches with a budget of $200. For larger quantity, price will go down a lot, approximately between 30 to 50 cents for a small size pouch. Finally, let's have a look at the microfiber cleaning cloth. Its MOQ is 500 pieces. Price range from 20 to 50 cents, depends on different quantity. If you want to add an envelope to pack it like Louis Vuitton does, it can add about 5 cents budget for a quantity over 10,000 pieces. I hope today's unboxing video enables you to think more about how Louis Vuitton practices environmental protection and what your brand can do on this topic, such as using FSC certified paper and cotton packaging. Any question? Leave comment at info@decayinglabels.com. I'm Rachel, your reliable packaging guy. See you next time!